Hey everybody! Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to take off on an adventure. This video is your first-class ticket to a smooth and stress-free first flight experience. So if you're ready to swap those nervous butterflies for soaring eagles of confidence, hit that subscribe button and get ready for takeoff. Before you even think about packing your toothbrush, let's talk planning. Researching your destination is key. From local customs and currency exchange rates to the all-important weather forecast, knowing what to expect will make you feel like a seasoned traveler in no time. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Okay, now we're talking packing. Think about versatile pieces you can mix and match and roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space. Remember, you can always buy a few things at your destination. Plus, who doesn't love an excuse to shop? Now for the not-so-fun but oh-so-important stuff. Your passport and visa. Make sure your passport is up to date and won't expire before you return. And don't forget about visas. Some countries require them for entry, so check the requirements for your destination well in advance. The last thing you want is to be denied boarding because of a missing document. Travel insurance is like that friend who always has your back, just in case. Delays, lost luggage, unexpected medical expenses. These things happen, and having insurance means you won't be left high and dry. Plus, it gives you peace of mind to truly enjoy your trip. Arriving early gives you plenty of time to check in, navigate the sometimes confusing airport maze, and breeze through security without feeling rushed. Plus, you'll have time to grab a snack, browse the duty-free shops, and maybe even strike up a conversation with a fellow traveler. You never know who you'll meet. Picture this. You're settled in your seat, ready for takeoff, and you reach for your passport, only to realize it's buried deep inside your backpack. Avoid the frantic rummage by keeping your essentials easily accessible. A small pouch or crossbody bag is perfect for this. Flying can be dehydrating, so it's important to drink plenty of water throughout your journey. And while that giant pretzel might look tempting, try to stick to light meals before and during your flight. Plus, staying hydrated and avoiding heavy foods will help minimize jet lag. Airport security, the land of conveyor belts, beeping detectors, and sometimes confusing rules. Familiarize yourself with the TSA guidelines for liquids, electronics, and prohibited items. And most importantly, be patient and kind to the security personnel. They're just doing their job. Let's be real, flights can be long. Pack a few of your favorite treats to satisfy your cravings and keep your energy levels up. A good book, a tablet loaded with movies, podcasts, or even just a good old-fashioned travel journal can make the time fly by. Planning to use your phone abroad? Smart move. But before you start racking up those roaming charges, check with your carrier about international plans. Many offer affordable options for data and calling, so you can stay connected without breaking the bank. Another option? Grab a local SIM card at your destination. Congratulations. You've landed. But the adventure doesn't end there. Before you even leave for your trip, research transportation options from the airport to your final destination. Knowing your options in advance will save you time, money, and potential stress. You don't need to be fluent in the local language, but learning a few basic phrases can go a long way. Think hello, thank you, please, excuse me, and of course, where's the bathroom? Not only will it make your interactions smoother, but it shows the locals that you're making an effort to respect their culture. Gone are the days of unfolding giant maps and asking for directions. Thanks to technology, navigating a new city has never been easier. Download a few reliable navigation apps like Google Maps or Citymapper before you go. It's like having a personal tour guide right in your pocket. We've all been there. You're at the check-in counter, desperately trying to redistribute the weight between your carry-on and checked bag to avoid those pesky overweight baggage fees. Spare yourself the stress by weighing your bags at home before you leave. A simple luggage scale is a lifesaver and can save you a lot of hassle at the airport. Listen, I love a good fashion moment as much as the next person, but when it comes to flying, comfort is key. Choose loose-fitting, breathable clothing that you can move around in easily. And don't forget comfy shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking, so leave those stilettos at home. Navigating the wonderful world of baggage can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Carry-on bags are your trusty sidekick that you keep with you throughout your journey, while checked bags go on their own little adventure in the cargo hold. Each airline has specific size and weight restrictions for both, so double-check those before you start packing. Imagine this. You're at the baggage carousel, eagerly awaiting the arrival of your beloved suitcase. Avoid the "is that mine?" dilemma by personalizing your luggage. A bright ribbon, a unique luggage tag, or even a sticker with your initials will make your bag easy to spot in a sea of suitcases. Flight delays happen. Gate changes happen. Stay informed and avoid those moments by regularly checking your flight status and itinerary. Knowledge is power, my friends, especially when it comes to air travel. Do you dream of gazing out at the clouds from your window seat? Or do you prefer the aisle seat for easy access and leg-stretching opportunities? Most airlines allow you to choose your seat during online check-in or through their app. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in your overall travel experience. While some airlines offer in-flight entertainment, it's always a good idea to bring your own. Pack a book, download movies or TV shows onto your tablet, create a playlist of your favorite tunes, or catch up on podcasts. Having your own entertainment options ensures you'll never be bored, even if the in-flight movie selection is less than stellar. Ready to upgrade your flying experience from okay to ah? Enter in-flight accessories. We're talking neck pillows, eye masks, noise-canceling headphones. Trust me, your future self will thank you for investing in a little extra comfort. Plus, you'll arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Packing for a trip can feel like playing a high-stakes game of what if. But fear not, my friend. The key is to consider the climate of your destination and pack accordingly. Heading to a tropical paradise? Think swimsuits, shorts, and breezy fabrics. Jetting off to a winter wonderland? Pack your warmest coat, hats, gloves, and layers. Let's be real, airport food can be expensive. Save yourself some money and potential stomach grumbles by packing your own snacks and meals. Sandwiches, fruit, granola bars, nuts, anything that's easy to pack and won't make a mess is a good option. I know I've said it before, but it's worth repeating. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're flying. Bring an empty reusable water bottle and fill it up after you pass through security. Your body and your skin will thank you. Don't wait until you arrive at your destination to exchange currency, especially if you're landing late at night or on a weekend when exchange offices might be closed. Research the best places to exchange currency beforehand, like your local bank or reputable online services. This way you'll get a better exchange rate and avoid those pesky ATM fees. And there you have it. You're officially ready to conquer the skies and embark on your incredible journey. Remember, flying for the first time can feel a little daunting, but with a little preparation and a positive attitude, it can be an exciting and enjoyable experience. Did you find these tips helpful? Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below where you're headed on your first flight adventure. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow first-time flyer friends. Let's spread the travel love. From one travel enthusiast to another, I wish you safe travels and unforgettable experiences.